This video covers section 5.3, Multiplying Polynomials. Objective 4, multiply the sum and difference of two terms. When we say the sum and difference of two terms, we're describing the form of these products. In letter A, you have an x and an 8, and you have a sum and you have a difference of those same two terms. In letter B, the two terms are 5x and 7, and you sum them, and you have the difference of the same two terms. In letter C, you have an x, a 2y, an x, and a 2y, and you sum them, and you difference them. These have a nice result. When we apply the FOIL method, we do x times x, which is x squared. We do x times positive 8, which is 8x. Negative 8 times x, which is negative 8x. And negative 8 times 8, which is negative 64. Because we had a minus 8 and a plus 8, the middle terms become 0. And we're left with x squared minus 64. We don't have a trinomial anymore. We just have a binomial. 5x times 5x, which is 25x squared. 5x times 7 is 35x. Negative 7 times 5x is negative 35x. And negative 7 times positive 7 is negative 49. Here again, the middle two terms. One's a positive and one's a negative. We're left with 25x squared. These cancel, and we have minus 49. X minus 2y times x plus 2y. We take the product of the first two terms, x times x, which is x squared. We take the outside terms, which is x times 2y. The inside terms, which is negative 2y times x. The last terms are negative 2y times 2y. We get x squared plus 2xy minus 2xy minus 2 times 2 is 4, and y times y, which is y squared. Here, the middle two terms cancel, and we're left with x squared minus 4y squared. So anytime we multiply the sum and difference of the same two terms, we end up with this nice looking answer where it is said to be a difference of two squares. Here are two practice problems for you to try. I encourage you to press pause on your video and work these out. And come back and press play when you're ready to see the solutions. Now that you've had a chance to work these out on your own, I'll work these out with you. 3x times 3x is that square, perfect square, of 9x squared. 3x times positive 4 and negative 4 times 3x. This gives me 12x minus 12x. The last terms are negative 4 times 4, which is minus 16. The middle terms cancel, and we're left with 9x squared minus 16. Letter B, we start off with 3x times 3x. That gives us 9x squared. Then we have 3x times 2y and minus 2y times 3x. Minus 2y times 2y. Middle terms are 6xy and a minus 6xy. Minus 4y squared. The middle two terms cancel, and we're left with 9x squared minus 4y squared. It's the difference of squaring 3x and 2y. This concludes the video for section 5.3, Multiplying Polynomials. Objective 4, multiply the sum and difference of two terms.